Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you how to start page number from page 3 in Microsoft Word. This is a training manual for sales program and I want to insert page number for this training manual. To insert page number, let's go to Insert and choose Page Number. Here you can insert page number on top of page or bottom of the page. I want to insert my page number on bottom right, so I go for this. Now you can see all the pages have page number. But I think it doesn't make sense to have page number on cover page and also for the page of contents. Now I want to start page number on page 3, which is this page. So what I need to do now is to create section break for this document.
Before we continue with the video, can you please take a second and click on that subscribe button below? It's free. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to me.
For us to see where is section break or page break, we have to go to Home, click on Home, and click on this Show or Hide tab. So now we can see there's a page break here. So now I need to insert a section break here so that cover page and table of contents will be in one section and page 3 onwards will be the next section. For me to create a section break, I have to place my cursor at the end of this page 2 and go to Layout and select Breaks. Choose Next Page. You can delete the page break here. Now let's turn off the Show Hide tab so that it's easy for us to see. Now let's go to page 3, the page which we want to start the page number from. Now double click at the footer and you will be able to see this header and footer. Click on Link to Previous to deselect it. Once you deselect Link to Previous, the changes that you make on the footer of this section will not affect the previous section. So now you can delete the number of page here. But what we can see now is the page number is still remain as page 3. So we need to do one more step. Go to Insert, select page number and format page numbers. Here start from 1. Click OK. Now let's go back to table of contents to update the page number. The number of pages has been updated automatically. If you want to learn how to automatically generate table of contents like this, you can click on the link of the video in the description. If you are preparing a contract, the total number of pages is important to be shown on every page. So let's see how we can do that. Double-click at the footer and type in page. Then place your cursor behind 1 and type in the total number of pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.